fake. Running up them bands, tryna bow till I fall. Running from his, he gon' come when I call. If it ain't about money, then you know I ain't involved. Worry about these motherfucking haters, not at all. 9 times out of 10, I'm the realest you know. If you ain't wanna pimp, then what you f***ing with me for? If you ballin' and you know it, then let the money show. If the act is scared to spin it, I'ma show him to the door. Okay, now shake with it, shake up the shake with it. And if the beat live, you know Lil Juke made it. And when I pop it, he gets stiffer than some fake.
Welcome back, Boss Bays. This is part 3 of Bossmas, aka vlogmas, more as I'm doing video styles for 25 days back to back. So my first video was a studio tour, but something happened where I had to switch up my room right quick. So I'm doing like another studio type tour, like the overall of my room or whatever. So you can check out the first video because it has changed up some. So I'm just going to give you a pan around of the room, and throughout the month I will go into more details of the areas. So this is part 3, which is an overall view of my room updated. So as you walk in, I am standing at the door, and you're gonna walk in, and this is this wall right here, which is, I'm working on my vision board. Like I said, I've been working on it for a minute. I put things up there, I take things down. The sticky notes are some goals that I want to meet. I put goals everywhere. So goals that I want to do. I got a cricket mat that's hanging right there. I got some more goals. I got my grandparents, one of my thank you cards, my coffee machine. I need to change my stuff up over there. Maybe I can do a video on that, update my coffee area. We come onto this wall right here, and sorry guys, I do need a vacuum, but yeah, this thing right here, it holds my, but I was trying to get this video up before 12, but it has just a bunch of storage. Then you come, and that is my TV area. And then this wall right here is my window. I just got this little pink little sheer little sheet up. So, okay, you come around. My daughter is sleeping, but you come around, it is a TV, the window. I have a little calendar that I need to do starting next year. I'm going to make sure I do that, stay on top of it. Then you come and you have my desk area. My part 2 video was my desk area, which was over here, but it's right here now. So I actually went through all of that. So if you look at the video, you'll know basically how I organize this stuff. So you come right here, and I have more storage items, and then you come in here, and I just have my packaging area and then my computer area. So I really hope you guys enjoy this updated, which really so glad that you stopped by to watch this video. In the comments below, tell me if you like this room tour better or the other one. You know, we're gonna do a vote to see which way is better. Kind of like this. This is the first day that I have it like this, so we're going to see. But don't forget to drop below if you have a website and what you sell, so I can check your website out. Until my next video, guys, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, until day 4. Bye.